Good morning, students. This is the second video for this week, 4th May to 9th May, and in this video I will explain some word problems based on additions and subtractions of fractions. Then after that we will see the concept of multiplications of fractions involving proper fractions, improper fractions and mixed fractions also. So all of you try to understand from here. Yes students, now in this video we will see some word problems based on additions and subtractions of fractions, such as this question we have seen in the last class, that a rectangular sheet of paper is 16 whole 3 by 4 centimeter long and 12 whole 1 by 2 centimeter wide. So find its perimeter. And length of rectangle is given 16 whole 3 by 4 centimeter, breadth is given this. Then it is the mensuration formula to find the perimeter of rectangle is 2 into length plus breadth. Then put the values of length and breadth, convert into improper fractions, find the LCM of these denominators 4 and 2, it is 4. Then add these two fractions, the result is coming 117 by 2, it is 58 whole 1 by 2 centimeter. Now the next question, that our picture is 7 whole 3 by 5 centimeter wide. How much should it be trimmed to fit in a frame of 7 whole 3 by 10 centimeter wide? That means the width of picture is more than the width of frame, that's why you have to trim it. Okay, and width of the picture is this 703 by 5 and width of frame is 703 by 10 centimeter. Now it is clearly we can understand that 703 by 5 is greater than 703 by 10, because the whole numbers are same, 7 and 7 in the mixed fractions. Then we will compare their proper fractions, 3 by 5 and 3 by 10, which is greater. 3 by 5 is greater because their numerators are same. Then you have to see the denominator. That means smaller denominator number will be greater. That is rule number 2 that in last class I have explained. Then how much you have to trim? Then picture to be trimmed to fit in a frame is, find the difference. That means picture width minus frame width. So convert into improper fractions. 7 into 5, 35 plus 3, 38 by 5. 7 into 10, 70 plus 3, 73 by 10. Then LCM of 5 and 10 is 10 here. Then 5 into 2 times this LCM is coming. Then 2 into 38 is 76. Now 10 into 1, then 1 into 73. So difference is 76 minus 73, 3 by 10 centimeter. Now the next question, this is given that what should be added to 7 whole 3 by 5 to get 18. Okay, something you have to add to this 7 whole 3 by 5, then you will get 18. Then in such questions what we are doing, finding the difference only. Okay, so that we are doing that 18 minus 7 whole 3 by 5. So convert into improper. 7 into 5, 35 plus 3, 38 by 5. Then LCM is 5 of denominator. Then 1 into 5, then 5 into 18 is 1 into 5 times this LCM, then 5 into 18, 90. 5 into 1, then 1 into 38, 38. 90 minus 38, 52 by 5. In mixed form, 10 whole 2 by 5. Now the question is why we have subtracted this 7 whole 3 by 5 from 18 to get that number. Okay, so now we will see that. So you can see that how much you will add to, what number you will add. Suppose that number is x. What number you will add to 7 whole 3 by 5 so that the sum will come 18. Then 7 whole 3 by 5 plus x equals to 18. And x equals to 18 minus 7 whole 3 by 5. When it will change the sign, then on right side it is minus, on left side it is plus here. So that's why here subtracted. Answer is coming 10 whole 2 by 5. This much centimeter you have to add to 7 whole 3 by 5, then you will get 18. Next question is, a film show lasted for 3 whole 1 by 4 hours. Out of this time, 1 whole 1 by 2 hours was spent on advertisements. What was the actual duration of the film? Okay, so for the duration of the time, first you see that the time taken for the film is 3 whole 1 by 4 hours. That is 13 by 4 hours. Okay, then time taken on advertisement is 1 whole 1 by 2 hours. Then what is the time, actual duration of the film, because this much time given for advertisement only, 1 whole 1 by 2 hours. So actual duration of the film is total duration minus advertisement time. advertisement time subtract from the total duration. So convert it into improper fraction. 13 by 4, 3 into 4 plus 1, 1 into 2 plus 1, 3 by 2. Now take the LCM 4. So 4 into 1, then 1 into 13, and now 2 into 2, 2 2s are 4, then 2 into 3 equals to 6. Then 13 minus 6 by 4, that is 7 by 4 hours. So actual duration of the film was this 7 by 4 hours only. So you can say in mixed fraction that 4 into 1 and 3 is remaining. So 1 whole 3 by 4 hours. 1 whole 3 by 4 hours. Next question is, cost of a pen is 17 whole 3 by 5 rupee and that of a pencil is 4 whole 3 by 4 rupee. Which costs more and by how much? Which costs more and by how much? So here we can say clearly 17 whole 3 by 5 is greater than 4 whole 3 by 4, because 17 here whole part is greater than 17 is greater than 4 here. First you have to compare the whole part only. So by seeing the whole part only, 17 is greater than 4. So clearly 17 whole 3 by 5 is greater than 4 whole 3 by 4. You can compare by after converting into improper fraction also. So given and difference between them, first find the difference, then only you will get that how much more, which cost more and by how much. So find the difference by convert into improper fraction. LCM is 20, then 5 into 4 time and 4 into 88, 352, 4 into 5 time and 4 into 19, 4 into 5 time and 5 into 19, 95. 352 minus 95 is 257 by 20. So cost of pen is rupees 257 by 20 more than pencil. 257 by 20, that means 12 whole 17 by 20 more than pencil. Now some questions based on multiplication of integers. Multiplication of fractions. Okay, so given product of fractions equals to product of numerators by product of numerators, means multiply their numerators and downside multiplied their denominators. Okay, such as this a by b into a by d, c by d, then upside multiplied their numerators, upside, and downside multiply their denominators. So b into d, that is the product. Now find the product. Suppose these are example questions. 5 by 8 into 3 by 4. So 5 into 3 upside and 8 into 4, that is 15 by 32. Now it is already in simplest form. No need to convert because upside numerator and denominator, they are not divisible by each other. Again here 3 by 4 into 5 by 2, then this numerator into numerator 3 into 5. Now this denominator into this denominator 4 into 2, that is 15 by 8. Similarly you can solve, but here you can see the numerators are divisible here. When you are dividing 9 by 16 into 8 by 15, see if you are dividing 9 by 16 into 8 by 15, then you will do like this, 8 into 1 time and this 8 into 2 time. Okay, then 3 into 3 time 9 and 3 into 5 time 15. Then you can write this 3 into 1 up at the numerator and this 2 into 5 in the at the denominator place. The number is 3 by 10. This number is 3 by 10. So similar questions are here now. 16 whole, multiply these both mixed fractions. So first you convert into improper. So 6 into 5, 30 plus 2, 32 by 5, and 3 into 2 plus 1, 7 by 2. So in this question also, when the question is that 6 whole 2 by 5 into 7 by 2, you will do this only, that convert 6 5 is 30 plus 2, 32 by 5 into 7 by 2, then 2 into 1 time and 2 into 16 time, because 16 2 is 32. Now it is 16 into 7 by 5. So product is 16 into 7 by 5. Now 16 7 is 112. So answer is 112 by 5. This only I have given here, 112 by 5, which you now convert in mixed fraction, then it is 22 whole 2 by 5. So here rule I have given. Here first convert into improper fraction, then multiply. Okay. Now one more question based on the multiplication of mixed fractions, such as 4 whole 1 by 8 into 2 whole 10 by 11. This is the question. Then you will multiply the numerator into denominator, this whole number into denominator plus numerator. So 4 into 8, 32 plus 1, 33 by 8. Again this whole number into denominator, 2 into 11, 22 plus 10. So it is 32 by 11. Now we can see this 30, we know that numerator and denominators can divide each other. So this 11 into 1 time and 11 into 3 time, 11 3 33. Now this also 8 is denominator, 32 is numerator, so they can divide each other. 8 into 1 time, 8 into 4 times. So the answer is 3 into 4, that is 12. Okay, so this way you can solve. Now one more questions like this only. Suppose that it is given 5 by 7 into 2100. Then 2100 means 2100 by 1. This 2100 is numerator, means 2100. 2100 is numerator and 1 is denominator. Then you will cut 7 into 1 time and 7 into 3 time. Okay, and then 0 0, 7 3 21. Then multiply 5 into, now numerator and numerator will multiply and denominator and denominator. So 5 into 300 by this 1 into 1. So you can write that is 1500 by 1, means 1500 only. Means result is 1500. Okay. Now one more question based on the multiplication of more than 2 mixed fractions. Suppose that this is question given that 1 whole 3 by 7 into 9 whole 4 by 5 into 1 whole 1 by 15. So this you can do like this, that 1 into 7, 7 plus 3, 10 by 7. First convert into improper fraction, 9 into 5, 45 plus 4, 49 by 5 into 1 into 5, 15 plus 1, 15 plus 1, 16. Sorry. Now one more question based on the multiplication of mixed fractions, such as 4 whole 1 by 8 into 2 whole 10 by 11. This is the question. Then you will multiply the numerator into denominator, this whole number into denominator plus numerator. So 4 into 8, 32 plus 1, 33 by 8. Again this whole number into denominator, 2 into 11, 22 plus 10. So it is 32 by 11. Now we can see this 30, we know that numerator and denominators can divide each other. So this 11 into 1 time and 11 into 3 time, 11 3 33. Now this also 8 is denominator, 32 is numerator, so they can divide each other. 8 into 1 time, 8 into 4 times. So the answer is 3 into 4, that is 12. Okay, so this way you can solve. Now one more questions like this only. Suppose that it is given 5 by 7 into 2100. Then 2100 means 2100 by 1. This 2100 is numerator, means 2100. 2100 is numerator and 1 is denominator. Then you will cut 7 into 1 time and 7 into 3 time. Okay, and then 0 0, 7 3 21. Then multiply 5 into, now numerator and numerator will multiply and denominator and denominator. So 5 into 300 by this 1 into 1. So you can write that is 1500 by 1, means 1500 only. Means result is 1500. Okay. Now your homework will be chapter number 2, fractions, from R.S. Agarwal book. Solve exercise 2A, question number 10 to 15, and exercise 2B So, question number 1, first to 10th. Okay, that is 1 to 10. That's all that you have to practice. Thank you.